Come on, guys.
There's nothing better than taking a walk in the forest and looking at the beauty of the trees and the other vegetation. Taking a walk through the Quimper Wildlife Corridor in the city, you can see the wonders of nature. The Land Trust is involved in the School Bird Project because we love to be working with our local school systems. Any child in the school district gets to participate. It's important to build future conservation leaders and also to help feed the desire to learn about nature.
Like migration, what does migration mean?
The third grade birding program is this year-long bird extravaganza. The students are using birds as the topic to take on all sorts of lessons in science and math and literature and land conservation and habitat conservation, migration, and these big worldwide questions, using birds as the example of how all of that comes together.
Some memorable student moments have been that they tell me that they're out with their family and they can identify the song of a bird. That aha moment of, I know what that bird is and what that sounds like. I have certain students who have trouble connecting with the material when it's presented in a more typical way, like if it's in a textbook, they shut down. But when it's something that they can go out and touch and feel and see in real life, the difference that I see is incredible. They just retain everything that we're doing when it's hands-on.
Does anyone know what that is? I was a kid when I started with birds, and I totally, at 7 years old, I saw a western tanager, and I went nuts. And it has been a lifelong happiness and an access to the out of doors and a way to motivate me to get out. But I really love having the kids because they also become the most awesome birders that blow us all away.
But as the years gone on and the students have become more and more familiar with these birds, that conversation has changed to what can we do to help them. And that's very exciting to hear the students brainstorm all the different ways that they can make this difference in a worldwide population of birds. We are so excited to have this program to be able to work with young people who I hope will have my job in the foreseeable future.
I have a favorite bird.
What is it?
A Hammond's flycatcher.
Wow.
Like the great horned owl, or like this bird, or the towhee, or crows and ravens, and other blackbirds.
I love birds! Yes, thank you, thank you.